what does it feel like to be an entrepreneur in your 70s? A lot of people say, aren't you ready to leave it all behind? Aren't you ready to retire? Isn't it hard to launch your business in your 60s, your 70s? I know I was in my
No,
50s when I launched my business. What message do you have for older entrepreneurs who are
thank you.
debating whether or not they should continue or get started?
It's great that you asked that. I feel that when people retire, soon after that they die. Like I feel
Mhm.
like people need a purpose in life. And couples actually need a purpose too. Like I feel that couples need to put their views towards something bigger than the two of them, or than building a moat around them against the world or whatever. I feel like couples need a purpose. I need a purpose. And when people retire, they often don't know what to do with themselves. They travel for a while, but that doesn't. My job includes travel, so I don't feel to slow down anytime soon. And I love what I do, and I get to travel with my husband, not all the time, but a lot of the time. What I've encountered is people coming into my classes sometimes, not the couples classes, but the individual classes, come in and say, "Oh, what is this old lady going to teach me?" And then their socks get knocked off and they go, "Who are you? How did you be like this?" Part of it is that I hang around with younger people, so
Yeah.
I don't feel that age stuff. The other thing I want to tell you is I created a course called ISTA for people. ISTA is a school that I teach for people over 50. And so I've separated the ages out a bit because I found that women over 50 became somewhat invisible to younger people, and men over 50 got projected on. Oh, he's the guy he looks just like the guy that molested me when I was a little girl, so he's a creep. So there are labels that are given to older people in the sexual field when they come to classes, and that's not for them. So I started a whole chain called this course for people over 50. It was an instant success, a hit overnight. And so many people are coming to it, and it's different. The issues for people over 50 are much different than people under 50. People under 50 are worried about, what do people think about me? How do I look? Is my body perfect? Da 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 da. And people over 50 are like, what am I going to do with the rest of my life to make it
Yeah.
meaningful now that either my kids are grown or, whatever, I'm divorced? I want to have a fabulous, bountiful, sexualized, fabulous, hot life for the rest of my life. And so they come to class and it's different. I have students up to like 84 who come to my classes and are still
That's amazing.
super vibrant, super sexy, wonderful humans.